today's episode, we're going to learn how to change out tire valve stems. Now, a lot of times, not a lot of times actually, it's more rare than anything that these actually go bad, but they can. The older they get, the more fragile they get, the more brittle they get. So a lot of times, like right here in the seam, they'll start going bad. Now, you can pick these up pretty cheap, but the tricky thing is getting them on. In order to get them on, you have to break the bead. And I don't know if you can see inside there, but see it's kind of mushroomed up. And it's because you're looking at this. So this sits inside the rim, the metal piece itself. This is exposed, this is inside the tire. So, a lot of times you got to cut them off, at least from what I've seen. Now, you got to be careful doing this. You don't want to cut yourself, and you don't want to cut the tire. Okay. So, and last thing you want to do is drop that inside there. So what I'm going to get is some needle nose pliers. Needly nose. And we're just going to try to get that out. And it'd be a lot easier just to go ahead and take the tire off the rim when changing these. But a lot of times we don't have that option. Alright, just kind of, it's like performing surgery in here. Alright, got the bottom mushroom off. Perfect. This side should just pop right out. But you don't want to lose this inside the tire because it'll throw your balance off. Alright, let's take this, toss your trash in the trash. Alright, so now what we got to do, you got to put the new stem in, this stem. And you really want to lubricate this before you put it in. So, you grab our soap up here, get it all nice and lubed. You got to come in from the bottom, push the tire down, feed it in. They make a special tool you use too to put it in. Or if you don't have the tool, you can probably get by with just some pliers. There we go. And then last but not least, you're going to need some sort of leverage. So what I'm going to use is a plastic bottle. There we go. Leverage. It's in there, it's brand new, it ain't going nowhere. It's good to go. Alright, and just put air back in the tire and then replace your cap. And that's how you change a valve stem. See you next time.